Welcome to this short video. In this short video, I just want to share with you people top 8 Flutter notification widget package, as you can see here. So let us count. We have here one. You can get them on GitHub. So I'll not write any code in this video. You can clone them from here and then you run them with your Android Studio or your VX Code. So these are them here. This one you can get this one from here, and this other two you can get this from here. So just go through it and write down the comment and let me know how it works. And don't worry, I'm going to this one. You can just click from here, view on GitHub, this view on GitHub, this one view on GitHub, this view on GitHub, and this one also view on GitHub, and this one view on GitHub, and this one also view on GitHub. So you just view all of them there. So you just clone them and let me know how it goes. I thought it's gonna be beneficial to some Flutter developer. So this is what I have to share with you guys today. Love and share this video, and don't forget to keep yourself safe from this global world pandemic. So thank you guys.